So today I'm going to tell you how to make a good thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is go on App Store, search up thumbnail maker in the search bar on App Store, and then press open if you already downloaded it. Go right here, thumbnail. You can make a channel art too, to be honest. So go on thumbnail maker. Press this wide thing, and then you could take a picture and you could get one of these photos from your gallery. So for example, I'll do this one. Press this, press text right here, and then Chris, and you can choose any of these. You have to pay for some though. It's alright though. I ain't gonna pay for that. It's not even worth it. So Chris, and then you can get a sticker, and I'm gonna put 4K. That looks alright. And then emoji. You have to pay for all these emojis, but I don't know why. So, and then I don't even like these, but I ain't gonna choose one. Press that. It's saving your photo. You can save it, upload to YouTube, share, or anything like that. You can remove your watermark, but I believe that costs money too. So yeah, this is how you make a good thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Peace, guys, and subscribe and leave a like on this video.